Jai Shri Gurudev. Dear students, in the last class we are discussed about the branches of biology. In this class also we have to discuss some branches of biology. Okay, firstly I am taken here pathology. Okay, pathology is the study of disease of plants and animals. The study of diseases of plants and animals. We have to study about the disease. Okay, this is one of the branches of medicine. Pathology is one of the branches of medicine. Is the study of causes and effects and disease or injuries. Okay, in the pathology we have to deal with the laboratory examinations of samples of body tissues. Do you know, students, do you have the fever means you are visited to hospital, the nurse or doctor they are taken the blood sample to test purpose, that is only laboratory test. Okay, in this we have to study of essential nature of disease. We have to study the nature of the disease and structure functions of the disease and changes produced, how to change this disease we have to study in the pathology. Okay, the study of disease of plants and animals, in plants also and animals also. See here, it is one of the disease. Do you know all is the COVID-19 virus? See now how to find out this means. We first their doctors take the antigens test from our neck. Here they are taken the antigen test. They are taken some antigen sample. After they have to do the test, finally they are find out is there COVID or not. Understanding now about the pathology. Now is the next branch is immunology. Now we have to discuss immunology. Immunology is the science that deals with the phenomena and causes of immunity. The science is deals with the phenomena. It's immunity. Immunity means the protective power. Immunity means the protective power of our body. We have to study about the immunity power of our body. Okay, it is the resistance power to our defense against the disease. This immunity power is defense, is the foreign viruses. It is also important to the, it is one of the important branch of medical and biological science. Immune system is protect us from infections through various lines of defense to our body. Immunity power is very important to our body. This and all the we have to learn in the immunology. Next, immunology. See, listen here, students. It is the one of the virus, and it is one of, it is our body. It is full of our body. It is one of the fighter to our body to control, to defense with the foreign virus, foreign disease. Immunology. Okay, now is we have to go to discuss next branch is eugenics. Eugenics is the science which aims to improve the human race through control the heredity. Do you know, students, heredity power? To this is heredity. It is the study how to arrange the reproduction with the human population increasing occurs heritable characteristics. The characteristics, some of the parent characters they are carried taken over to the next generation, means baby child they are taken them parents characters. Same like here, it is controlled, how to control the heredity variations because of some, here only they are given examples. Discouraging a marriage that likely to show unfavorable or harmful characteristics in the children. Harmful characters, see for your parents they are 20 years at the age of the 20 years hair fall, and at the age of the 30 years they have got the BP and sugar, means these are all the harmful effect to them next generation also, we have to control that. So including we have to read about the genetic screening, birth control, and these are all the examples. I'm promoting differential birth rates and marriage, this and segregations, this and all we have to examples of eugenics. We have to control the heredity power to next generation. We have to study in the eugenics. Okay, see here, eugenics, we have to control the, it is human evolution. Next is the biochemistry. In this biochemistry we have to study about the chemicals and reactions that take place inside the living things. One of its numerous application is DNA fingerprinting. Here in this biochemistry we have to study the chemical reactions that takes place inside our living things. We are also one of the living things inside our body. What are the chemical changes happens, we have to studying. They are given the one examples here, DNA fingerprinting. Do you know students, DNA means DNA abbreviation is deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, it is the carries the generic instructions in all living things, DNAs. And DNA shapes known as double helix shapes. DNA I will show you now here. See, it is the DNA abbreviation is deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material which carries all the hereditary information. It's give to hereditary information. They are do you know students, their mother or father or baby, they make it the DNA test. They are applied to DNA test, some of them, some of the cases. On that time they can easily identify that. In the using the DNA test means they can easily identify that this DNA, it consists of two strands. Look at that, it is, listen here students, it consists of two strands, one and two strands. It is consists of two strands. Okay, it is the double helix shapes known as, how is there double helix. It consists of mostly 250 to 2 million base. DNA consists of mostly 250 to 2 million base pairs. Gene code for polypeptide molecule where their nitrogenous bases stands for one amino acids. Here chemical and biology both also we have to study in the biochemistry. Chemical changes, what are the chemical changes happens in our inside the body, we have to study in the biochemistry. Okay students, remaining in the next chapter they have two questions, you have to answer it. Thank you.